Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to CUBOT X18. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download. And now we have to do the same, so I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you need to go with send on OPPO and receive on CUBOT. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only select this one photo, choose send and tap got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and click receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on CUBOT, then choose allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files or File Manager, click Allow and tap on Internal Storage over here. Then we need to find Send Anywhere folder, click on it, and as you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!